birthday. Thank you so much for your good job and you're professional.
Thank you. It's our pleasure to meet you, and we look forward to you welcoming you to New York City home.
Thank you very much. So today I will be owner of the most popular building in the Manhattan today.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I've been inside.
I appreciated you everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, we shall start.
Great. We're all set for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It is very difficult from Japan to send you because the money is a lot of the money. So at first I called to the main bank in Japan, and after that I sent it.
No, we got it. We're all good.
But then the banker told me it took 2 or 3 days, but
no, we got it so fast.
Same day you receive it, so
Yeah.
it was amazing.
Very fast.
And so after I sent you an email, I called to the bank and
We got it right away.
Today, so and it is very fast.
Very fast.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Oh,
May I start sign?
Yes, you can.
Okay, I will. Okay, this is most important. Okay, my family name.
I did.
Okay, I do. Very much. Now I'm owner of that residence, so I'm very happy. And I
157.
appreciated you, everything.
My pleasure.
Your job is a professional.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I appreciated you for it.
Congratulations.
So and from tomorrow I will live in there.
Okay, yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Okay.
Pleasure
thank
to meet you.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank
And
you.
you sent me?
It's a little wine for you, for your
It's
apartment.
amazing. Okay. I cannot drink, only keeping in the room. I couldn't drink. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
It is a good memorial day of my life.
We're very happy
Thank
for
you.
you, and
Thank
we're all
you.
done.
Hi, domo. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Hello. Yeah, I'm Japanese mom is very happy because my lawyer gave me this bottle. This is a congratulation wine. So, and the closing was finished. I'm an owner. Everything is perfect. So I'm very happy. And Japanese mom, new life is start. Thank you. Arigato. Thank you. I appreciated you. Enjoy my video. Thank you.